For dinner tonight, I have a nice ribeye steak with spinach and couscous and some mushrooms. To go with the steak, I've got some spinach here, so I'm just going to put some boiling water in there. That'll just wilt down. And I've also got a packet of Ainsley Harriet's couscous. I've tried making my own from scratch, it's never quite as good and it takes far longer. It's a bit awkward using all three Trangia pots at the same time, but it does work. The spinach and the couscous just need slightly heated up later on, once the steak is ready. Well, the steak's nearly done. I've got a little bit of butter and some mushrooms. Lost one there. I'm just going to take the steak off for a couple of minutes now, let it rest. I will then put the spinach back on for 2 minutes just to let it boil through. Couscous is pretty much ready. It just soaks up the boiling water and that's it really, it doesn't even need to be cooked. So there we go. Steak, couscous, mushrooms and spinach. Cooked in about 20 minutes on a Trangia.